you'll all be getting information about how to go on those events. Also, if we have our event every fourth Wednesday in Las Vegas. If you or anyone you know is in Vegas, it's the fourth Wednesday of every month, and there we have a lunch every Thursday. If you know of anyone there. Okay, so I think that's it for the announcements. So now, we used to have, at this point, we used to have someone called the real estate doctor, Ed Berlinski. He would come up here and he would take us through a deal or a problem or an issue or a Q&A or what have you. But he's been kind of retired from that for the last few months. But luckily we got him back for today. Today anyway, I don't know about the future. But so I'm very pleased to invite back up here our own real estate doctor, Ed Berlinski.